Why do 100% of humans experience coughing? Let's find out. All right, picture this. Your airways are like a clean, smooth highway. Now, when dust, mucus, or even a tiny piece of food irritates your throat, it's like a traffic jam. Coughing is your body's emergency response. Your brain sends a signal to your chest muscles to contract, creating a mini explosion of air to clear the blockage. Fun fact, a cough can travel up to 50 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on that highway analogy. Pretty cool, right? So, next time you cough, know that your body is just doing some emergency road maintenance. Stay curious and keep your airways clear. Subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.